Hey girlfriends, we're talking about skincare again. I bought this in Ulta. I've used it one time, okay, and I really did like it. I like the way it felt. I like the way it did its thing, and I think you would really like it too. Now I'm going to show it to you, but this is called, it's by The Ordinary, and it's the Resurface and Hydrate Set. So it's two products inside this $10 little box, okay? See, like it says $10. I didn't take it all. So we're going to use this. And you put one product on first, and you let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you wash it off, and then you put the second product on top of that. And it really does, it made my skin feel fabulous. So that's why I'm sharing it with you. And I think it's something simple and easy, a good price that you should try. Let's open this box. I really like this product. I was a little scared of it when I first put it on, but, you know, don't be scared. And these are mini bottles. They're not the large bottles. And so you're going to have, this is your peeling, so they say, solution. Yes, it looks like red when it goes on your face, okay, because it's a dark bottle. And then this one is the hyaluronic acid, okay? And I will put things along here just so you'll know what the products are doing and what they say they're going to do, okay? This is the first one you're going to use. Make sure your skin is clean and dry, and this is all natural, girl, except for that scar right there. That I acquired in a car wreck, hitting the steering wheel. Yeah, which made me end up having a pacemaker, which is my favorite little buddy right here, okay? I'm still here, and I'm still ticking. As long as I'm here, I'm going to come popping on here to help you out, okay? So let's do this. I did it. I just put it in my hand, and yes, it's red. You don't have to put a whole lot either. So be sparingly with it. Try it out the first time, and yes, you're going to look red. This is not going to stray. It kind of looks like to me when you put it on, it looks like a bad sunburn. Really. Like when I was a kid. This is my face when I was a kid. And I just do it a little at a time. And it's not runny. It's very, very soft and pliable. And it just, your skin's going to love it. It is. It's going to wash right off, so don't worry about that. Now, I do not do my eyelids or anything like that. I will come up underneath my eyes because that's where I have all my, you know, wrinkles and everything settles, you know, when you're putting your makeup on. So this is going to just be a gentle exfoliator, pretty much. That's what it is. I like to get it around my mouth, too, because that's one of my hard issues as well. And that's all you do. Let me pop that through here. Just whatever's left on my fingers. And there you go. 10 minutes, we're going to wash it off. Okay, we are in my bathroom. You're in here with me. And what I'm going to do is just use, you can rinse this off just with some warm water. I like to get a washcloth and use this because it just seems to do better every time I do it. I like doing this better than just splashing it across my face because it actually can get the product off and you'll see it coming off. It does look like a bad sunburn though, doesn't it? It does. And I'm really thinking about doing something with this melasma and stuff on my face. I really need to do that. If y'all have any recommendations, I would love it. There's so many new things out there. I just really don't know, you know, what is the best thing to do. Now, see, it came off. Look, it came off. And now I'm going to let my face air dry. I'm not going to try to dry it off. I'm just going to let it relax a few minutes. And then we'll come back and we'll add the hyaluronic acid. Okay, while I'm letting this kind of settle, look. I mean, my face, it feels wonderful. It does. It feels wonderful. I really like this product. And I've already taken my gummies today. These are Younique's Daily You gummies. I did 2 of them. Great for your nails, your hair. Seriously, I'm 62, so. And I'm going to take my liquid collagen real quick. I have to do that also. And while I'm doing this, this is a great time to think about, you know, what are you doing for yourself and your body as you age? I'd love to know because I'm always looking for something that I can try and see if it works. Now, I know these 2 products work because I've been using these for a while and I can really see a difference in myself, especially my hair. My hair was so damaged by COVID And it's just now, since I've been doing these products religiously every day, they're working. So keep that in mind too. You got to not just do your face. You got to think about the insides, because what you put in is how it's going to reflect outwards. Remember that. My mama told me that a long time ago. And she was right. She was. Okay, here's my little tiny bottle. I love the Ordinary's hyaluronic acid. I've been using this for a while. I have a big bottle over here. But since this came in its own little deal, I decided, see that? Look at that. Oh, cool. Yes, I use the whole thing. I get the whole shebang. I love how this feels going on my face. Now, once you put this on, I do my eyelids. I do everything. I come down my neck. I do my hands. This feels so good. And I will link this below for you. Oh my gosh, that feels wonderful. It does. It feels so good. And as you're aging, you know it's hard. It is. It's hard aging. You're looking at yourself and you're going, well, but I've lived a lot of life, which is good. I'm 62. And I turned 62, like 3 months ago? And so I'm okay with it. But as life's moving on, I want to just be the best I can be. And I think you probably do too. So, and that's all you do. And then you go and put on your gorgeous makeup and you go dry your hair and then you face the day, okay? You do not have to do this. I'll look and see. I think I only do this maybe once a month right now. That's it. Read the package, and I'll put something down here that I'll go back and kind of research it and see what they really recommend. But I've only been doing it like every month, getting into the deal. So, and I haven't had this very long, so I'm just a newbie at it. So I'm hoping to see some changes in my skin. I already love the way it feels after using the product. So give it a try, girlfriend. You ain't got nothing to lose. See you later.